This is the heart. The heart is a muscular pumping pyramid-shaped organ situated in the mediastinum. Its apex pointing toward the left nipple, while its base forms the posterior surface of the heart. This is arc of aorta, which is divided into three parts, that is ascending, transverse, and descending aorta. Transverse aorta further divided into different types of arteries, which supply blood to the head, neck, and forelimbs. And descending aorta forms systemic circulation. Now, this is pulmonary. This is pulmonary vein which receive oxygenated blood to the right to the left atrium. Now, this is pulmonary arteries which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Now, this is right atrium. This is right atrium, and now this one is superior and inferior vena cava, which receive deoxygenated blood from the lower limbs. Now this one is pulmonary artery, which carry deoxygenated blood from right ventricles to the lungs, and this is arc of aorta, which is divided into left subclavian artery, which supply blood to the forelimbs, left common carotid artery, which supply blood to the head and neck, and brachycephalic artery. Now this is left ventricles. Now this is